Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now. Ensure Legion Go is charged above 50% and plugged into power. Once powered, create recovery media on a 16 GB USB drive and backup personal files. Reboot and repeatedly press the Novo or volume down key to enter BIOS. This is the only path to secure boot options. Make sure you have the BIOS password or know how to reset it because you cannot enable secure boot without proper access. Now in BIOS, switch the boot mode to UEFI, disable Legacy or CSM. This enables secure boot to operate. Next, go to Security, then Secure Boot and choose Enable. You will be asked to install or confirm platform keys. Accept factory keys unless you manage custom keys. Once done, save changes with F10 and confirm. Make sure to update bootloader entries if your OS was installed in legacy mode, because otherwise the system won't boot. Finish by saving BIOS changes and rebooting. Check that your operating system starts normally. If it fails to boot, return to BIOS, temporarily disable Secure Boot, and boot into recovery media to repair the bootloader or restore from your backup. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see a secure boot violation, confirm the OS was installed in UEFI mode and that boot files are signed. Otherwise, use the recovery USB.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.